Good morning, beautiful people. Ay, ang akong shades. Ito kay Arya. Ayan, today, Saturday, kahit na medyo ano ang panahon, magdadagat kami, guys. Hindi akong cellphone. Hindi sama sa papa eh. Kumuha ako ng plastic, guys, kasi hindi ko pa nasusuot yung sombrero ko. Kailangan natin ng plastic para sa basa. Pipila pa kami, guys. Pipila pa kami sa Roro. Let's pray.
Arian,
Naya.
pray time, Arian, pray.
Pray time.
Baby,
Magahon na sa. Close your eyes. Father in heaven, we thank you for this day. We thank you for this chance that you have given to Alis na kami, guys.
What time is it? Electric has been
Mga
called
aking
down
pakiramdam,
already.
pero
Yeah.
kidding.
What time
are
will the
moving.
electric come back?
5 p.m.
Ang bala naman wala kuryente.
5 p.m. tomorrow?
Today, 5 p.m.
Right here, mga besh. Andito na kami sa Guimaras. Daddy, did you put mag-aano lang kami. Take out sa Jollibee para sa aming lunch na lang. Kasi mahal ang food with me.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up.
10 minutes pa mga bi, pero we're so happy kasi uminit na. Nagkaroon na ng araw. First time namin dito sa place na to. Kasi normally doon kami palagi sa Alubihod. Gusto namin i-try naman yung iba. Tapos maganda kasi dito kasi meron siyang cottage sa harap ng beach. May maliliit na cottages na. Kasi doon sa kabila, walang cottages, guys. May mga cottages ang lalaki. May muna sa medyo para siyang ito parang public beach. Ganun. So, sana walang masyadong tao.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead.
Guys, we came finally. Kailangan pa namin bumaba kasi
Is there an apartment?
what apartment? There's no apartment, ate. That is the food we put in the
No, it's
bags.
because they have a...
puting-puti, guys. No? Ang ganda tingnan. Ayan, guys. Nandito na kami. So, ang ganda, oh. O, diba? Para siyang Bora. Char. Okay lang naman yung sand niya. Ano rin? Puti. Char. Yan rin. Siyempre, ligo ka agad. Aryan! Aryan! Hi, mami. Hi! Ay! Dali, sili ka. Swim. Dali, swim.
What if the world had more of your smile? What What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
I told you. Where's Aryan Hans? Oh, Aryan Hans is missing. Aryan, you like your shoes? Let's go.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you.
Kain tayo taho, guys. Okay lang ina-vlog pa ka lang. Say hi to the vlog.
Dreaming
Pila?
of you.
Ano gusto mo taho?
Dreaming of you.
Di ba taho? Di ba? Ang kamay lang.
Dreaming of you.
Wanda. Ang wala ng kalamay ako.
Ang isa wala akong kalaman. Oo, 25.
If the world had
Get taho in the
your
beach.
smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no war.
Pila ko na?
Thank you, Kuya.
So guys, pahinga muna kami sa atong ulo ko sa init. Doon si Alp. Pinatulog mo namin kasi wala siyang tulog. Galing siya ng duty.
The clock, so they won't come outside.
Ha, okay guys. Slow by slow. But anong tawag dito? Kianchana.
You know that song?
Kianchana, yes.
How do you know?
Everyone knows that.
I think the dance trend is like this.
Kianchana. Huh. You shy?
Kind of. I only do it at home.
Aray ko guys, uwi na kami kasi ayan, alam niyo naman si Dudong Alp walang tulog yan. Kagabi nag-duty pa yan ng buong gabi. Out niya ay 7 p.m. 7 a.m. So, wala pa siyang tulog. Okay lang kahit pa paano, di ba nakapag-swimming. Nakakuha kami ng vitamin D. Ayan guys, ang ganda, ang sarap. I miss it.
One eternity later.
Sunog. Kaya si ay sunog ang bata, oh.
Wait, Daddy, are you
Everyone is
supposed
burned.
to-
Oh my gosh.
Have you-
Sunog na sunog
No,
kami.
I'm just getting darker.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer.
Busy na yung dalawa sa cellphone, guys. Kasi nandito na kami sa loob ng Roro. Ang dito time check, it's 5. Umalis kami doon ng 3 p.m. Okay na. Just kahit pa paano, diba? Nakaano kami ng vitamin D. Vitamin D. Pulang-pula na ako. Si Arya. Si Si Arya, guys, pulang-pula na yung dito. Tapos, Arya! Arya! Show me your red face.
Wait, again. My face is big.
Ang arte. Taba ko na ba yan? Anyway, dala akong pizza. Kay Papa. Mango pizza, guys. You should try mango. You should try mango pizza. Ito na lang natara eh. Hindi ko na ma-open. Basta 2 piraso na lang natara kay Papa. Why are you laughing at me?
Wait. Ah! No, wait. Wait.
Take.
Ah! My hand. It's pain.
Lipay-lipay.
Put it here. Okay. My hand. I will slap your hand. Wait. Put your hand. Put your hand. It's going. One more time.
By the way, guys, nandito na kami sa
I am the winner. I am the
Talaga yun,
winner.
Roro.
I am the winner. I am the winner.
Hala, Diyos ko nang sunog na. Dali ko na.
Up.
My gosh, nasunog na pala ako, guys. Hindi ko alam. Sunog na. Kaya palang update. Tsaka hindi ito kong update.
2 hours later.
Ayan, we're home mga besh. Finally. Pulang-pula ako, guys. Ang init ng mukha. Ayan, nahulog si camera. Hindi kasi ako nakapag-sunscreen mga besh. Actually, pati mga bata. So, ayan guys. End ko na tang vlog. This is actually another day kasi hindi ko na-end yung vlog. Nung nakaraang araw ng pagdating namin kasi sobrang pagod na mga be. As in talagang pagdating namin. Alam niyo yun, ayos lang ng gamit. Tapos tulog. Kasi gabi na kami dumating guys, diba? Mga 6:30 na. Or almost 7 na rin. So, tamang-tama lang talaga. Pinakain ko lang yung kids. Pinalider na namin yung kids. Tapos pati yung mga bata, guys, pagod. Alam niyo ba ang pagkakamali ko? Napakalaking pagkakamali ko, guys. Is hindi kami nakapagdala ng sunblock. Ang talino, diba? Ang galing ng mami. Galing. Sa lahat ng dadalhin na dapat dalhin, ang unang-unang dadalhin pag magbi-beach, diba sunblock? O, kita mo, ayun pa yung nakalimutan. Galing. Sana man lang kahit face sunblock. Kahit ako, guys, face sunblock, hindi ako nakapaglagay. Kaya sunog yung dito ko. Medyo okay na. Madali lang naman na, actually, lagyan ko lang siya ng aloe vera gel. Anong tawag dito? Yung Korean na soothing gel. Chuchu na green yan. So, medyo masarap sa pakiramdam na tulog. Nakatulog kami. So, ayan. So, susunod. Yun na talaga yung unang-una kong dadalhin. By the way, I'm so proud sa aking husband. Kasi alam nyo ba, walang tulog yan siya guys, more than 15 hours. Na-duty pa yan siya, then the next day, dumiretso kami sa Guimaras. Actually, naman ako sa kanya, nag-offer ako na wag na siyang sumama, para makatulog siya ng whole day, kasi wala naman kami dito. Gusto ko lang talaga mapaligo yung mga bata sa dagat, and ako rin, kasi medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko. Feeling ko, gagaling yung pakiramdam ko pag nakaligo sa dagat. Alam niyo, nakakuha ng vitamin D. Anyway, ayun niya talaga. Gusto niya talagang sumama sa amin kasi yung safety, hindi din daw siya makakatulog, wala siyang peace of mind. You know, protective ang aking husband. So, ayan, iba talaga yung mentality ng mga Turkish. So, sumama lang siya. Ayun, whole day siya walang tulog, guys. Sobrang naawa din ako, diba? Kaya hindi kami masyado nagtagal doon actually, no? Pagtapos namin mag-lunch, ligo, tapos pahinga, snacks, tapos ligo. So, mga 2, dumating kami doon mga 11. So, mga 2, maho na rin kami, guys. So, actually, gustong-gusto pa ng mga bata, pero tama na. Later na lang. Total summer na naman. Anyway, so, ayan. So, grateful and thankful for this chance na nakalabas kami na naman as family. And si Papa, hindi namin nasama, guys. Hindi talaga sumasama si Papa. Lalo na sa mga dagat-dagat. Hindi mo masasama yan si Papa. Alam niyo yun, mas gusto niya pag nagtitinda ng siomay niya. Mas mag-i-enjoy pa yan siya magtinda ng siomay kaysa sa, alam niyo yun, magdagat-dagat na yan. So, anyway. So, ayan. End ko na itong vlog. Thank you all so much mga besh. Patulugin ko na ulit mga kids. And we will see you in the next vlog. Bye!
Just loving